Hello there. Welcome you all to the Bigdatainpractice.com training introduction. So here today we're going to be very brief. We're just going to provide you some highlights and course overview of the big data training that we are offering. Some introduction about us. So here at Big Data in Practice, we are a group of practitioners who had extensive experience in big data implementations. Everyone is coming from a different background. Some are from retail, Wall Street, insurance. Everyone is has his own unique experience and something to add on a different facets of big data implementations. As a culmination of our experience, we wanted to put that into this course, and that's the background, a brief background regarding how did we come up with this course. So again, this is a very hands-on, a practical-oriented course that came out of our experience in big data implementation. Whatever we learn, the best practices, the things to look out for, or some things to avoid, the common design patterns, and we will also go in deep about the particular aspect of big data ecosystems like Hadoop and where to use Pig or Hive or different parts of the ecosystem. There are some talk or discussion will be on the upcoming areas of big data like streaming or in-memory processing using Spark, and Scala is again coming up. So we will have some, again, this is not a Spark course, but we will have some discussion and give you pointers, enough pointer to take it forward, whatever you learn in this course. So that's briefly about us. Now coming back to this course outline, in this course, we have divided the content into an 11 sessions. Each session is roughly about 2.5 hours. Um, and it will be on weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Um, and hopefully we'll try to complete that by in 6 weeks. That's the plan. Apart from these sessions, we also have the lab exercises. So labs we have carefully designed to give you a practical aspect of this big data training. Um, and everything will have instructions. All labs will have instructions you have to follow along, and you should be able to do it. Of course, if there is any issues, we are always there to help. Apart from, so labs is something that you do on your own. Um, Again, apart from this, there will be case studies. The case studies are close to real life scenarios that you will be implementing as a part of this course. Again, if you have something of interest to you, you can discuss with the trainer, and you don't have to take this case study that is listed here. You can come up with your own, and we will help you implement it. Um, Apart from that, this is the three case studies that normally we use. uh, some are from the retail background, so it is easier for us to relate because everyone shops in a retail shop setting, so everyone is kind of familiar. Um, Again, there is no hard and fast rules about this, but we want you to work on the project case studies by roughly about beginning or end of the session 4, so that way you will have sufficient time uh, before completion of this course to complete the project as well. Now, apart from this is a month, 6 weeks program that we do as a batch. and we run as a batch. You will have peers in this, and maybe we can learn from each other. That's the idea. We will normally start the batch on instructor-led batches on every month end. So every month end there will be new batch. Apart from this, we will also have a self-paced, on-demand learning option. So if someone cannot basically dedicate or make themselves available on the fixed time frame, Saturday and Sunday, normally mornings, then I would say you can also look into this option. So this is basically the same 11 sessions, but it is available as recorded. Now, bear in mind, even though we are saying it is self-paced, on-demand learning, it does not mean it is. It still is an instructor-led program. By that, I mean every week there is a one-on-one session with the trainer, half an hour session, and we will go over your progress. We wanted to understand how you're doing, and that way you can be on track. Um, so that's the idea. So every week, a half an hour session with the trainer, along with self-paced video on demand kind of training. And again, everything remains the same. We'll give the same labs, same exercises, same case studies. Uh, and in a way, it is different, and in some sense, it is good because you get one-on-one time with the trainer. And that way, if you have any personal concerns, you can benefit from that. Any questions, any comments, feel free to call or contact us here on the website. Again, our website is bigdatainpractice.com. Yeah, sure. So just give us a call for any questions. Thanks for your time.